I-Eskom ithi kungenzeka ukuqinteliswa kwegezi kusuke esigabeni sesine kuchinge esigabeni sesithathu ngelesine. Lokhu ikwenza ngoba ifuna ukuphumelelisa isithembiso esenzileko sokuthi iqede ihlelo lokuqinteliswa kwegezi kungakafiki ipelaveke. Ikampani ephakela amandla wegezi le ithi amahlelo wabo angaphasi kwegandeleleko begodu akakanzinzi.
We are expecting a number of large units to return during the course of tomorrow, and if those units stay online and if they perform as expected, then we should be able to consider lifting load shedding entirely by the start of the weekend.
I-Eskom inqanqabezile enarheni ngokuthikaziseka kwayo ukuza nokunande kuqinteliswa igezi. Ithi itshejile bona ihlelo labili lithikazisa umnotho wenarha kunye nenarha yonke. I-Eskom ithi isebenza ngamandla bona igezi ingacimi.
We wish to issue an apology to the country for the load shedding that we unavoidably have to impose in order to prevent a much greater inconvenience and risk of a total system blackout. And I can again give you the commitment just based on my discussions this morning with the management team here at Duva. Our teams are really engaged and motivated. They understand what the implications are for the country, for the economy, and they are working hard to bring those units back.
I-Eskom ithi ithatha amagadango ukuthi inarha le ingafiki la kucimacimi khona. Ithi inamahlelo aqinisekisiweko ukuthi igezi ihlale ikhona. Nanyana kunjalo iyavuma bona mancane amathuba okubana inarha le izithole iphelelwe igezi.